Hello everyone. So what we have here is the Anker QI2 model ata to. And then ito yung kanyang box. So it is a 15 watts wireless power bank. And you can also use yung cable to charge. Yan. So ito yung kanyang box. So 10,000 mAh yung capacity niya. Basically, can charge your phone 2 times. So mag-go siya. Basically, mag-safe compatible. So in the box, you have your instruction manual and then may kasama siyang type C na cable for charging the power bank and charging your type C device. And then you have here your power bank. Yan siya. So this is sa left side, you have your type C. Two-way yan, input and output. And then you have here yung button that shows yung LED. And then yung LED pinapakita niya yung percentage ng power bank. Yan. Then we have here yung color, I think purple. And then may stand din siyang kasama. Yan. So whenever you're charging your phone, pwede mo siyang itayo ng ganyan. So kabit lang natin yung phone. Then magcha-charge siya ng ganyan. Then it will show you yung percentage and then yung remaining time. No? So zoom natin yung LED niya. Yan. And then you can make it like this para nakatayo siya. So it serves as a stand also. So hindi hassle pag ilalapag mo yung phone mo. Then you can also do landscape. Ayan. Pwede rin siyang landscape. And depending on your mag-safe case, so for this one, malakas yung magnet ng case. So, hindi siya basta-basta mahuhulog. No? Ayan. So, let's remove from case para try natin kung okay siya without the case. So, yung mga case ng phone also have different parang levels ng magnetic nila. So, not all cases holds the same strength ng magnet. So, if walang case, yan, medyo, kung nakita nyo, medyo nag-wiggle siya. Yan. So, pero, sa phone, wala namang problem. Yan. And medyo umano lang siya. Yan, pag sa phone. So, mas malakas kasi yung magnetic ng case sa part dito sa baba, no? Kaya pag kinabit mo siya, yan, hindi siya basta-basta yan. Pero so far, okay naman yan. Yan lang siya. So, if you're going to buy this one, I hope this video helped you. So, yung 15 watts is already parang fast charging na siya for a wireless MagSafe connection. Yan. So, this is your, again, Anker power bank, and thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.